And next one up is Mario Brothers. So this one is going to be a short arrangement for one hand to play. Again, we'll be doing the most recognizable part to this one, which is this. Just that, right there. Okay? So again, here's the sheet for that one. And again, we can see all white keys for the key signature. They don't put a time signature on this one, but we can assume it's 4/4 common time. The rhythm is kind of difficult on this one. You can see we have a lot of rests, a lot of different kinds of notes. But if you're familiar with the song and the game, they should be pretty easy for you once I just give you the notes though. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with that. The very first thing I played was this. Okay, and that one is E, 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 3 times, down to C, back to E, so like this for that first part, E, 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 C, E, okay, and then I'm going to go up to G, down to G now, with my thumb. So here's that part. So I'm playing that middle finger on E, thumb on C, and then pinky for G, stretch that thumb to G. Okay, and that's that. Let's go ahead to our next one. This next measure we can see we're starting off with C, and then we're going to go down to G, and then the last one on this one is E. C, G, E, just like that. So all together we are this right now. C, G, E. Okay, let's go ahead and add some more. This next one starts off with an 8th rest, and then we get our note, which is on that space. That is A. We go up 1 note to that line, which is now B. We're on that same line, but with that flat symbol, so we'll play B flat. And last, come back down to A. It's pretty easy there. We're going to play it like this. A, B, B flat, A. Okay? And we can put all that together now, like this. Okay, so we have that C, G, E. And now we go to A, B, B flat, A. Okay, that's where we are now. And we're almost there. 2 more measures here. This next one starts off with a triplet. Again, it might be a little bit difficult for you to count, but once we hear it, I think it'll get a bit easier. Those notes are going to be that line, which is G. We're going to really stretch. If you can make it with your index finger, I recommend that one. If not, try that middle finger. G, because we're going to go up to E. And then we're going to go up to G, A. So G, E, G, A. Like that. G, E, G, A. If you need to use 2 hands for it, no problem. You can play your left hand on this G. Okay, but my hands are big enough to make this stretch. G, E, G, A. Okay, let's combine it with that last part we had. And we're right there. Okay, almost done. We got 2 8th notes there to finish off this measure. That is that top line, which is F, and finishing off with G. Okay, let's put this measure together here. G, E, G, C, F, G. Okay. Okay, just like that. All right, next up we're going with another 8th rest to start it off, and then we're going to play E. And finally we finish it off with a little C, D, B. Okay? So let's put these last two together here. We started off with this triplet starting on G and going up. And that's how that's going to finish off. One more time. I'll go a little bit slower. One more time. Alrighty, and that's that. Let's go ahead and put this together nice and slow here. I'm going to start off at the very beginning with this E. Go to C. A here. G to start off this big stretch. And that's it. One more time. Here we go. Great. And that is Mario. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Again, this is a lesson to help practice your skills, build up that confidence, because learning songs like this is what it's just all about. All right, come back and join me. We'll be practicing some more theory concepts, and we'll take on some longer songs in the future. Have fun playing.